Welcome to Module 1, Getting Started with Adobe Premiere Pro. In this video, we will look at the Adobe Premiere Pro user interface and we will talk about the most important workspace elements. When you open Adobe Premiere Pro, you're greeted with this welcome screen. So from this welcome screen, we can either create a new project, we can open an existing project, or we can look at the recently used projects and open them as well. Let's go ahead and create a new project. We can create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. So up here you will see there's three different stages. We have Import, we have Edit, and we have Export. So let's start with the Import. Okay, so let's give a name to our project. I'm going to call this as Lecture 1. And we need to choose the location where we're going to save the project. If you want, you can keep your files in the default location, which is shown here, or you can create your own location. So in my case, I'm going to call this Premiere Pro Classes. And now I can just double click on that folder and I can choose this folder to be my project folder. So you can see here, it shows the location that I have just selected. If you want, you can choose certain clips that you want to use in your project, or we can do that later as well. Now let's click on the Create button. And that opens up the Adobe Premiere Pro's user interface. And up here you will see we are in the edit state. So we're going to spend most of the time in the edit section. And once we've finished editing, we can go to the export to make our final video. Let's talk about the user interface here. From the user interface, the four most used windows are Project window, Source window, Program window, and Timeline window. So in the next video, we will talk more about Workspace and the layout to customize it to our needs.